10th standard. My journey started in UKG. Now I am ending my school on this day in 10th class. I have enjoyed very much in my school career, especially with my friends, Sultan Khan. I have I have enjoyed very much with my friends in school trips, annual day functions. I am very thankful to my principal sir who has encouraged me and guided us the right way for my future. He has told me choose your own way, not choose your by what your parents and teachers are telling. Choose your own way to make your future bright. And I am very thankful to my motivational speaker Aisha Jabin teacher who has guided me and take me a right way to make my future. Here you are having good exams. Please do hard work to get your successful life, and please hard work and achieve your aim, goals, and take a successful life. Thank you very much.
MashaAllah, inspirational speech by Harun. So next I would like to call Zubair, the silent and simple boy in the class. If he is there in the class or not, we will not get to know he is there present in the class. The very silent boy in the class, so claps for him. Now we would like to listen some few words.
I am Mohammad Mustafa from 10th class. Today is our last assembly. In 10th class, many teachers helped me, like Aisha Jabin teacher, Shine teacher, Parveen teacher, Zaid sir, Sohail sir, Khaja sir. Every time they motivate me in everything. Asma ma'am also, she have also motivated me. I am studying in this school from first class on the date 27th June 2013. My first day, the first class teacher was Shabina's teacher. I used to sit on first bench. Many memories I left in this school. Inshallah, I will get success. Anyhow, I will get success with the grace of my principal sir, Mr. Muhammad Shaukat sir. He helped me He have helped me many times. And in maths, anytime I got fail, I have not got like to stop and cry. I work hard, and inshallah, I will get 10 GPA in this school, and everyone will get passed with me. And teacher, ICW teacher called me detective because I used to tell him some things of the class. That's what she called me detective. Sometime I used to make this is because of the principal sir. I am now studying in this school. If I was not here, so I was here. My principal sir is having a great hand behind me. And परवीन टीचर बहुत हेल्प करे मेरे को उर्दू में। अगर मैं कुछ भी हुआ उर्दू में स्कूल को जब आया था, शबीनाज टीचर हेल्प करे। उसके शबीनाज टीचर के बाद उजेफा टीचर हेल्प करे। अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह परवीन टीचर हेल्प करे। बहुत टीचरों का आते मेरे पीछे, खाली मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ। कोई तो एक टीचर नहीं है मेरे पास, तो मैं अकेला नहीं पढ़ता। बहुत टीचर पढ़ा मेरे को। ये जो मेमोरीज रहती है स्कूल की, वो कभी नहीं भूल सकते, कोई भी नहीं भूल सकते। किसको सा भी बचपना रहने दो, बुढ़ापा आने दो, जो स्कूल के मेमोरीज रहते हैं वो कोई भी नहीं भूलते। स्कूल के मेमोरीज जो रहते हैं ऐसे रहते हैं, जिंदगी में बहुत कामयाब आते हैं। अगर स्कूल के टाइम पे खाली पढ़ाई करना नहीं रहता, दोस्तों के साथ जो वक्त बीता है वो भी रहता। अब ये क्या रहता है, स्कूल का 10th क्लास तक रहता, 10th के बाद जो ये दोस्त रहते फिर कभी नहीं मिलते हैं। कॉलेज में मिलते हैं, फिर कॉलेज में दूसरे ये पूरे नहीं मिलते। एक टाइम तक रहते हैं पूरे दोस्त। कॉलेज में फिर पूरे अलग जाते हैं। 4 दोस्त एक कॉलेज, 4 दोस्त एक कॉलेज रहते हैं। थोड़े जने पढ़ने बाहर चले जाते हैं। अब क्या है, ये स्कूल का जो जिंदगी स्कूल की जिंदगी सबसे अच्छी है। और तो स्कूल की जिंदगी एंजॉय करना, खाली एंजॉय करना नहीं रहता, पढ़ लेना, पढ़ने के मेहनत करना, 10th क्लास में मेहनत कर लेना।
जो है हमारे सर की एक इंस्पिरेशन है और द लाइफ जर्नी ऑफ आवर प्रिंसिपल इज एन इंस्पिरेशन टू ऑल ऑफ अस. When we see the life journey of our principal, we get very motivated. Alhamdulillah, I am get very motivated by principal sir. Alhamdulillah. And हर स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल जो रहते हैं बस हमारी टीचर्स की भी कंफर्टेबिलिटी के लिए देखते हैं, बस हमारे स्कूल में हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर पहले स्टूडेंट्स की कंफर्टेबिलिटी देखते हैं, बाद में टीचर्स की कंफर्टेबिलिटी. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, we have that principal who care us a lot and who encourage and who guide us and who is very serious for our future, regarding to our future, who is very serious for us. Alhamdulillah. And I like to say few words about Mubin ma'am. She is like our mother. She always encourages, guides us and motivates us. She is very supportive to us. In every situation she supports us and she appreciates us very well. Alhamdulillah. And she wants the fancy GPA from the boys, and inshallah this year we will get it. So thank you Mubin for supporting us. Alhamdulillah. I am very lucky that person. I am very lucky person that I have joined the MS Mission High School. Alhamdulillah. If anybody tell me to suggest a school for them, then I will 100% suggest our MS Mission High School for them, because it's that school who can make a bright future of a loser student also. Because here that teacher who encourage everybody, who make a bright future of every loser student. Alhamdulillah, I also a loser, but now I am coming the
As you all know, today is our last assembly. Not last day, we will come later. But last assembly. I am very thankful for Principal Sir and Ma'am for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you. And I joined in 6th class, middle of the 6th class. It was very difficult to join in middle of the year, but I supported by so many teachers here, and my first supporter was Arsha teacher, who joined me in this school, and he used to tell that she used to tell that she can see something different in me to do. सिक्स्थ क्लास के बीच में ज्वाइन हुआ था मैं, अरशद से ज्वाइन कराए थे, एंड बहुत इन सिक्स्थ क्लास किसी से बात भी नहीं करता था, एकदम साइलेंट. बट माई 80% लाइफ हैज चेंज हियर आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग इन दिस स्कूल. माई 80% लाइफ हैज चेंज बिकॉज ऑफ प्रिंसिपल सर एंड मैम and all teachers. I can speak something in front of you all, and I am very thankful for all of them. And Alhamdulillah, ma'am has supported me a lot. मैं आने के बाद उससे ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता था. Even principal sir did not know my name till 10th class. But with the help of our teachers, and I got rank, and Alhamdulillah. और स्कूल में आने के बाद भाई everybody सबसे इतना
तुम्हारे होता है
studying 10th class. As you all know, today is last assembly. And first of all, I would like to thank our beloved Professor and Madam Ma'am to give this opportunity to us. I had joined Examination High School in nursery and complete first class at Royal Veterans. And again I had joined in 10th class for good studies. मेरी किस्मत ऐसी है कि यहाँ पे हुआ था तो वहीं पर आ गया. मेरी मंजिल यहाँ से शुरू होती है. मैं स्कूल में आया, मैं सोचा नहीं था कि सबको इतना करीब हो जाऊंगा मैं 1 साल में. यहाँ पर आपको खुद को सिखाया जाता है, सब बताया जाता है, इंस्पायर किया जाता है, मोटिवेट किया जाता है. एंड आपको सक्सेस के बारे में बताया जाता है. एंड सदस्य बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. So 10 GPA from boys and girls. Inshallah, I will fulfill his dream. And teacher was so supportive. मैं सोचा नहीं था कि मैं यहाँ पे रैंक पे आऊँगा, क्योंकि मैं डर था. पर यहाँ पर आने के बाद मुझे पढ़ने में अच्छा लगा, मन लगा. उसके बाद मुझे रैंक आया. रैंक में इंटर करा, फिर धीरे धीरे रैंक में इंटरेस्ट आया, पढ़ने में इंटरेस्ट आया. सारे भी जहाँ सपोर्ट करे, अच्छे तो डीपली समझाए सब चीज़. वो कागज से डीप टू हर चीज़ समझाते हैं लोग. And you 9th class, do hard work and next time you will score out 10 GPA inshallah. Thank you.
Very much and make us better and make us study well. So today is our last week. This is a very sad day for me because I have studied here 10 years, 11 years. So I have attached with this school and now I am leaving. It seems like that I am leaving my home, I am leaving my parents, I am leaving my brother. I am a random person in the beginning. I used to work very hard and I get a good support from my teachers. So if you want to work sometime and get successful, become successful in your life, so you have to work very hard and you have to be focused on your goals. Know me very well, who I am and how I am. So, do you know what is the secret behind my success? The secret is the motivation and hard work of my teachers, my dear principal sir and my parents. They encourage me, they support me, they stood behind me, and they made me stand here on this position. I started my school journey in LKG when I was 4 years old. That time I didn't know what to do in the school, but my teachers supported me. They held my fingers and then took me till this position. I am very thankful to my teachers, my parents, and respectable principal sir. I think if teachers would not be there where I have been today, so a very thanks to teachers and principal sir. Principal sir supported us very much and encouraged us to move forward in our life. I am very thankful to him because in the case of pandemic also he did not let us studies stop. He had
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Myself Priyati sir, I am studying 10th standard. On behalf of my school, I am thankful to my teachers for all subject teachers for explaining the lesson, and I am also thankful my wonderful friends to share the moments and I finally apologize to whom I have during the school periods.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप हार्ड वर्क करिए। मैं सर को देख के हार्ड वर्क करना स्टार्ट करा। सर से मैं इंस्पायर हुआ, प्रिंसिपल सर से। प्रिंसिपल सर बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग है, अपने बारे में बहुत सोचते हैं और मैं टीचरों को थैंक्स कहना चाहता हूँ और आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि टीचर्स की हमेशा इज्जत करना और कुछ भी ना बोलना। टीचर अगर पनिशमेंट भी दिए तो मैं सब टीचर्स को थैंक्स कहना चाहता हूँ।
Very good. My name is Mohammed Sir. I am from 10th class. आप सबको तो मालूम है दार्जिलिंग में मैं 10th क्लास का बच्चा। मैं पढ़ने में बहुत वीक था, तो पूरा सपोर्ट किया मैडम और प्रिंसिपल सर। आई थैंक यू फॉर मूविंग मैम एंड प्रिंसिपल सर। अब लास्ट ईयर 9th क्लास बॉयज का एक ईयर है। आप लोग अच्छी कोशिश करो, सबसे अच्छा ला इंशाल्लाह आप लोग की जिंदगी में लेंगे।
I will thank for sir, principal sir and Mubin ma'am and Shakir sir because he have made us sending more timetable for studying to well and I will thank for to Arsha teacher and Lubna teacher for giving us many time to write the exam, and we will thank for you for studying well.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sheikh Naim from 10th standard. I thankful my all the teachers and sir because they motivate me for studying, and I thankful a special thank for principal sir and ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. My name is Bilal Adibek. I am studying here 4th class now. I last 10th class. So I thankful to all the teachers and sir and madam. Madam supported to me lot of. She is telling you can do it. First of all, I am thankful to principal sir, ma'am, all the teachers who had support me 10th class, and I am studying from nursery in American High School. I am thankful to all the teachers. In my family, I am hard person who was completing 10th class, and thankful to Soil sir, Said sir, Aja sir, Mubin ma'am and principal sir. They have supported me a lot.
My name is Jai Kamat. I am studying 10th class. So many teachers motivate me, science teacher, Arvind teacher, science sir, Aja sir, Mubin ma'am, professor also. So 9th class students, you have to do hard work to next level and to write the 10th class exam. This is Activate 10
Everyone. Today I first thanks to all my teachers, Aisha Jabin teacher, Zahir sir, and all the sirs, Father sir, because they teach me very well, as other teacher can't do that. I have inspired with them and they have told me, you should take in college that what you want. Means, many parents encourage their child to do MPC or BPC. But Asas always said that you have to choose what you like and what you want to make in the future. And I am inspired with my principal sir also. And I would want to make a same principal like Ashoka sir. And my Shokat sir is very kindful person who always help those people who can't afford study and education. There is many people and even I also, sir has helped me a lot. Shokat sir मेरे रोल मॉडल हीरो है क्योंकि उनकी वजह से मैं यहाँ स्कूल में हूँ वरना मैं स्कूल से कब की निकल जाता था.
To everyone, myself Irfan Alam Khan from 10th standard. I be thankful to my principal sir and teachers. I have joined MS in nursery and completed UKG after quit, and after a long time in 10th standard I continue for good studies. MS. I be thankful to Lumna teacher and Arsha teacher for conducting our unit test and grand test till 7 o'clock, and all teachers are motivating here, and Bhupin ma'am also suggest tips and tricks for 10th GPA, and I be thankful to all teachers and all my friends.
When I will came out from my class, Shadi sir always put me in class, don't get out from the class and go and study. They so much motivate me, and I study in the class because in 8th, 9th I can't study because 9th class we get a lockdown, and after in 10th class only I get perfect in maths subject because it's very hard to study. That's why I perfect so many teachers can principal sir is accepting a good number in GPH for in 10th class.
We got to know, we got this school in our Hassan and they are getting opportunities. The students those who are not learning, so to them also our sir is supporting to orphans and financially